Hi friends, welcome to my class. This is Hanumesh, working as assistant professor in chemistry, Government Degree College, Sindanur. Today I am going to tell you about simple distillation. Simple distillation is the technique used to separate a mixture of a solid in a liquid. If one of a solid component, if it is dissolved in liquid, so this technique can be used to separate liquid from the solid. And also this technique used to separate a mixture of two liquids, two miscible liquids having large difference in their boiling point. Now we'll understand the thing how the mixture of two liquids, two miscible liquids or solid in a liquid can be separated by using this simple distillation technique. See, this is a diagram showing simple distillation setup in which the two components which are mixed together to be separated are placed in the round bottom flask. At the bottom, burner is kept, and this round bottom flask is connected with the condenser, which is connected with the water inlet. By circulating water in the condenser, water will go out, and the liquid, depending upon their boiling point, are going to collect in the collecting flask. Liquid, if it is a mixture of liquid, solid in liquid, just consider component A is liquid and component B is solid, or component A is low boiling liquid and component B is high boiling liquid. So high boiling liquid I have shown with the bigger size, and low boiling liquid I have shown with the small size, so that when we start heating, low boiling liquid will at the low temperature only it starts boiling. So then it moves into the first, it will climb up the round bottom flask in the form of the liquid converts into gaseous state. The gas, which vapor state, vapor will move into the condenser. Due to circulation of cold water in the condenser, the vapor phase converts again into liquid. So after converting into liquid, it will collect into the collecting chamber or collecting flask. So one after the other, the molecules, all the molecules will go and collect into the collecting flask, and the higher boiling liquid or the solid will be remain in the round bottom flask only. In this way we can able to separate solid in a liquid or mixture of two miscible liquids. So then the high boiling liquid remains in the round bottom flask only. Low boiling liquid is separated in the collecting flask. So in this way we can able to separate so two liquids. And also if other thing solid is there, then you can also separate these by heating. When these high boiling liquid reaches the high temperature, when it reaches the high temperature, so that these also climb after reaching their boiling point, they are also going to climb round bottom flask, go into the condenser, then they will collect in the collecting chamber. In this way, so separation of liquid in solid and mixture of two miscible liquids having large difference in the boiling point can be separated very easily by using this simple technique called simple distillation. So this can be applied in our daily life. So there in industries, when you are going for industries, you are going to apply this technique, so that it is better to understand clearly about this distillation, simple distillation technique. Okay. Thank you and all.